Many schools track expenses in notebooks or spreadsheets, which makes financial records difficult to manage. With SAFSIMS expense management, schools can record, categorize, and track all expenses directly within the system, giving administrators clear visibility of how money is spent within the school. Let me quickly show you how schools manage expenses in just a few clicks. When you're logged in as an administrator or a finance manager, navigate to configuration and set up your chart of account by first creating the assets account, which could be a current asset or a non-current asset as created here. Once this is done, you navigate to the expense category. This is where you categorize all expenses within the school into the category they fall under, and each category can have a subhead as listed. Once this is done, navigate back to configuration and create your expense items that falls under these categories. So these expense items are tied to your expense category subheads. Once this is created and done, the expense manager can easily log in and navigate to expenses to record expense made at certain periods in time or in a certain day. To do that, you click on new expense, select the expense item, select the subhead that this falls under, put in the date of this expense, put the amount spent on this expense. Tax is optional, put in the merchant that this is gotten from, payment method. You select your chart of accounts where the money is being taken from. I'll put in the petty cash funds. You can add a narration to it. Upload the receipts for clear visibility and submit. Once this is done, every expense made within a particular date is recorded on the expense management, and you can easily export this report within a time period.